133 kilometers without a drop of fuel. This legendary Spanish car has become the ultimate anti-electric vehicle, even as the car market evolves toward electrification. An iconic Spanish car challenges the trend and captures the attention of enthusiasts and engineers alike, the C600. Despite its age, this car managed to travel 133 kilometers without a single drop of fuel, thanks to a revolutionary conversion. Launched in 1957, this model marked generations with its simplicity, compact design, and low fuel consumption. However, it is not its original version that is making headlines today, but its recent transformation, which has turned it into a credible alternative to electric vehicles. Unlike modern cars, which are loaded with complex technology, this modified C600 operates with a compressed air system, entirely eliminating the need for gasoline or an electric battery. What makes this car a phenomenon is that it goes against the current automotive industry. In a world where electrification seems to be the only path to sustainable mobility, the converted C600 proves that effective and accessible alternative solutions exist. Unlike electric vehicles that require expensive lithium-ion batteries and an insufficient charging network in many regions, this car redefines the concept of clean mobility with a simpler and more sustainable approach. In addition to not consuming gasoline, it doesn't emit CO2, making it a particularly interesting option for environmental advocates. While electric cars are often criticized for their ecological footprint related to battery production and recycling, the C600 offers a solution that bypasses these issues. Beyond its ecological aspect, this car offers other significant advantages. First, it requires very little maintenance, unlike electric vehicles, which have sophisticated electronic components and batteries prone to wear. This version of the C600 remains true to its simple and proven mechanics. It is also more economical, as it requires neither gasoline nor charging at an electric station, significantly reducing operating costs. Moreover, it does not depend on a specific infrastructure, making it an ideal solution for regions where access to electricity is limited or expensive. The practicality of this car also lies in its quick startup and its respectable range, allowing it to compete with some entry-level electric city cars. Far from being a mere curiosity, this reimagined car raises crucial questions about the future of the automobile. It proves that it is possible to modernize classic models while respecting the ecological and economic demands of the 21st century. In an era where new cars are often criticized for their increasing complexity and dependence on rare materials, the C600 offers a more rational and sustainable alternative. This conversion could even inspire other initiatives aimed at rehabilitating old vehicles, giving them a second life with more environmentally friendly technologies. If this approach develops, it could redefine the energy transition in the automotive sector, focusing on recycling and reusing rather than mass-producing new vehicles. The converted C600, therefore, embodies a different vision of innovation. Rather than investing massively in complex infrastructure to support the rise of electric cars, why not explore simpler, immediately applicable solutions? This model demonstrates that sustainable mobility does not necessarily require a complete break from thermal vehicles, but can also rely on ingenuity and the optimization of existing resources. This thinking paves the way for a more diversified approach to the future of the automobile, where alternatives like compressed air could play a key role alongside electric vehicles. In the end, the reimagined C600 proves that innovation is not solely in battery technology or the sophistication of new electric cars. It reminds us that simplicity,